No, you said go in it.
Hey guys, it's me, FIA, and today I'm cooking. So today you got your knife in your off and salt and your pepper, obviously. Today it's called Onion Day. It is a Heritage Normal Festival dish of the veal stock that that Abraham Lincoln killed off back in the day. And I'll get to you later on in the next part of the video. Hey guys, I'm back again. Now you want to season your condiments here. That was a lot of pepper, but I like things spicy. See, when it starts to smell like it's burning a little bit, you just get a little stir, right? Right? Because you want the juices, right? That's right. Now see you in the next part. Hey, I didn't see you there. I was just here grabbing some cream for my coffee that I'm making. Because you always need a coffee during your food process making. Guys, I don't know how to get that out. So we're not making coffee anymore because coffee's actually bad at this time of the hour. What time is it? Cameraman, please?
I got it. 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Can't have caffeine at that hour. So now, back to our onions. See, if you spill a little on the side, make sure you clean that shit up because we don't need no fires in this goddamn place, right? All the way with the BC fires anyways. Can't even see outside, right? Look how pitch black it is. It is not 10 o'clock at night, fellas. I mean 10 in the morning. That is because the BC fire smokes. Hey! Excuse me. Watch your place. So, that is because BC fires. Now kids, stay indoors. Breathe the good air while you don't do drugs. Okay, so see you in the next snap video. Oh, it's you guys again. Let me tell you a little something. Excuse me, I'm over here. So, cameraman, come in on this. So, you see, they're starting to brown. Do you see that? You can't see it because your camera quality is shit, but they're starting to brown. Hey, on me. And once Gordon Ramsay once said, aka Daddy Gordon Ramsay, he once said that cooking in a cast iron pan, all Italians do that shit. That's what you want to do. See, look at I inject that to myself sometimes. It's good for the veins and the heart. And you have to have a lot of heart when you're cooking the food you like. I'll see you guys the next thing. Now, it's time for the testing part. Let me get just a small... Oh, back in the pan. Don't tell anybody I did that. That shit was nasty, okay? We're just need a little more Oh, I don't know where that went. Cameraman, I don't know where that went. Anyway, see you guys in the next snap. Here we can try again. The juices are just flowing. Yeah, juices are flowing. I'm going to get not quite done yet. Sorry, just took your pee-pee. Juices are flowing. Okay, nice. And then the next snap. So back to the origin of this nice dish that Abraham Lincoln killed off sorry, I'm retarded. Killed off the people of my kind. My cameraman's gonna pee themselves. That's okay. My cameraman died. Back up here. Throw that ass. Sorry, this is not my dancing show. This is my cooking show. Anyways, Abraham Lincoln was my friend. No, he was my great long time great grandfather's pets, uncles, nephews, sister's uncle. And yeah, he actually did not like this dish, and that's why I do not like him. Anyways, moving on. Next video. Cooking with Thea. Hey guys, we're back. So, as you see here, hey, up here. Good thing. As you see here, You take the vodka. I'm just kidding. I'm a child of God. I don't do this devil stuff. Oops. So, put that back. You don't take the vodka. Sorry, ruined my show. See how they're browning up really, really nice? I say, so ooh, snapped. Anyway, back up here. I say, so you just cook it for the next 5 minutes, and then you're done, and you have your dish that Abraham Lincoln did not like. And then we'll see you next weekend on Cooking with FIA. Cooking, I don't know yet. We'll be cooking. See you guys next time. Cooking with FIA. Outro.